Hello folks, this is the Craftsman battery-powered sprayer for pesticides and lawn and garden chemicals. It has a strong stream and higher volume delivery than many others. But the sprayer comes by itself, so how do you know if it's going to fit where you need it to fit? Well, stay tuned. Lawn chemical bottles usually come with a squeeze sprayer like this one, or if you want to pony up 10-15 extra bucks, you can get a battery sprayer like this one, which is a big improvement. And I was satisfied with this until I tried the Craftsman sprayer. As I mentioned before, it shoots a stronger stream and puts out a lot more volume. It's a real time saver. And depending on where you buy it, it costs less than $15. I will put a paid link in the video description in case you're interested. Also, if you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. Now the sprayer comes by itself. There's no bottle or anything with it. And right on the box it says, will work with any refill bottle. Let me show you what they mean by that. Now your Craftsman sprayer is designed to work with bottles like this. You've got lawn pesticides, lawn chemicals, and if you have a sprayer like this on it, or even a sprayer like this, the Craftsman will work with these bottles. Now I like to mix my own chemicals from concentrates like this, and I'm sure many of you do too. Now I was using this. This is a pump-up sprayer, but my wand is just about worn out. So I was hoping that the Craftsman sprayer would fit here, but it will not. So I did a little experimenting. And what I found out is that in addition to fitting pesticide bottles and lawn chemical bottles, it will also fit a variety of other types of bottles, like chlorine bleach, ammonia. I've got some automotive chemicals here, windshield wiper fluid, antifreeze, that sort of thing. And it'll fit just a variety of 1 gallon and half-gallon bottles. So you can repurpose these to use with your sprayer. Now it will not fit on food-grade products like milk or orange juice. So the bottom line is, if you have a special sprayer you like to use, take the wand off, see if it'll fit one of these type of bottles. If it does, the Craftsman sprayer will work with your equipment. Now, I would not use some of these more stronger chemicals like chlorine bleach and ammonia with your sprayer. It might damage it. So I would check that out before I used it. But probably the easiest thing to do is just to save your old lawn chemical bottles, tear off the labels and relabel them, and just reuse them like I'm doing here. So folks, hopefully we've answered your questions now of what will the Craftsman sprayer fit. If you already have one of these, I'm sure you already know it's a great product. If not, it's worth considering for $15 or less. So be sure to send me your comments and your questions. I will answer you. And until next time, God bless you and your family, and thanks for watching.